In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and ship from eBay to Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria and eager to get your hands on exclusive items from eBay, but are unsure how to navigate the shipping process, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the steps to make this happen seamlessly. To start things off, you'll want to head over to ebay.com. Once the page loads, log into your account. If you don't already have an eBay account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts, enter your details, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Having an account is essential as it allows you to manage your purchases and track shipping information. Now, once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Here you can type in the item you want to buy. Whether it's electronics, clothing, collectibles, or anything else you can imagine, eBay's search system is robust and should help you find exactly what you're looking for with ease. It's important to be as specific as possible in your search terms to narrow down the results and make the selection process quicker. After you found an item that catches your eye, the next crucial step is to set the correct shipping destination. To do this, click on the current country listed under Shipping To. By default, this might be set to another country, so it's essential to change it for accurate shipping information and availability. A list will appear showing different countries where sellers offer shipping services. Scroll through this list until you find Nigeria, then click on it. This action ensures that you are only shown items available for shipping to Nigeria and calculates any additional shipping costs specific to your location. After selecting Nigeria as your shipping destination, click on the Apply button. This will update the search results to display only the items that can be shipped to Nigeria. It's a small but vital step to ensure that you don't encounter any surprises when proceeding to checkout. And that's all it takes to set things up for purchasing items on eBay and having them shipped to Nigeria. By following these steps, you ensure a smoother shopping experience on eBay and get those items delivered right to your doorstep. So go ahead, try it out today, and enjoy the vast online marketplace that eBay offers right from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. Happy shopping!